Very good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please keep your videos on. Let us continue with bank reconciliation statement. Where did we stop? Which question?
5.
Question number 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Before going to question number 6, I want all of you to go through that items to be added as well as reduced. That is the reasons for the differences, the reasons which creates differences between cash book balance and passbook balance. Revise. Then we'll start doing the questions. Quickly go through. And by the time, let others join. So what is bank reconciliation statement? What is it? Anish, tell me, what do you understand by BRS? Bank reconciliation statement.
When passbook, balance in the passbook and balance in the cash book of the firm does not match, we prepare a bank reconciliation statement to check the reasons.
Very good. Very good. Okay, you have understood it. Good. So we are preparing it to make the cash book balance and passbook balance match. Okay. And so far we are doing problems starting with cash book balance. It is the cash book balance given to you. Then we will be bringing changes or alterations are made in the cash book or to the cash book. We are making adjustments to the cash book. Either some items are added or reduced. Okay. So keep that point in mind. We are starting with cash book balance. It is the cash book balance given in the question. Why? Because soon we will be starting with passbook balances. Then there is slight difference. So make this thorough when cash book balance is given. Which are the items to be added and which are the items to be reduced? Check issued by the bank but not yet presented for payment. What does that mean? What is it? Explain. Check issued by the bank but not yet presented for payment. So when cash book balance is given to you, okay, we will be making alterations to the cash book. Take the help of your hands. Keep or imagine left hand as your passbook, okay, and right hand you have your cash book. Check issued. Check issued means think from the point of view of the business, okay, from the business, about the business. Check issued. That means the business has issued a check. So immediately the business will record it in the cash book that bank balance reduced. So cash book, bank column reduced. So there is no change in the passbook. Correct? There is no change in the passbook. So to make it matching with the passbook, what you have to do? This particular item, that is check issued by the bank but not yet presented, you have to add it back to make it matching. Similarly, check paid into bank but not yet collected. Check paid into bank. That means the business has received a check. When the business received a check, immediately the business records that bank balance increased. But it is not actually collected. It haven't come to the bank account. So to make it matching with the passbook, reduce it from the cash book balance, reduce it, minus. Okay. So quickly go through all the items, then we'll start doing question number 6. Mostly these two items are always confusing for the students. That's why I explained it again. Okay. Those who have went through all that items, read question number 6 and draw the table, draw the statement. We'll start doing. Question number 6. Prepare bank reconciliation statement as on December 31st, 2017. On this day, the passbook of Mr. Himanshu showed a balance of rupees 7,000. Is this the question? Or did we complete 5?
No, ma'am.
Question number 5. Go to question number 5. On comparing the cash book with passbook of Naman, it is found that on March 13, 2017, bank balance of rupees 40,960 showed by the cash book differs from the bank balance with regard to the following. So what is the balance given here? It is the cash book balance. Did you draw the statement? Is your statement ready? Table is ready? Draw it fast. And do the first one, A, that is okay. Right? Cash balance. Balance as per cash book, 40,960. Then, A, bank charges rupees 100 on March 31 are not entered in the cash book. Bank charges. What is that bank charges? It is some deduction from your bank account in the bank. Okay. So it is already gone from your bank account. It is shown as reduction in the passbook. So what to do with this bank charges? Look, look, look. Passbook on your left hand, cash book on your right hand, bank charges. It got reduced. Some charges, it has been deducted from your bank account in the passbook. Passbook shows a lower balance. Lower balance. So to make the cash book matching to the passbook, bring the cash book down. Bring it down means reduce it. So bank charges should be reduced, minus. Bank charges, bank debited charges. Look at the answer. Balance as per cash book 40,960. Then bank debited charges. It is reduced from cash book. Sorry. 100 rupees reduced. Don't copy the answer from the board. Understand and do each and every transaction. Is that over? Bank charges is over? The next one. See the next one. On March 21, 2017, a debtor paid rupees 2,000 into the company's bank in settlement of his account, but no entry was made in the cash book of the company in respect of this. So there was a debtor. Who's a debtor? Who's a debtor? Who is a debtor? Who's a debtor? Respond.
Ma'am, who owes money to the business?
Perfect. Good. One who owes money to the business. Okay. So there was a customer. There was a customer. He directly went to the bank and paid the money which he owes to the business. Okay. The debtor. So he went to the bank and directly he deposited there. So what happened? Bank account. Passbook shows an increase. Cash book is still down. Bring it up. So add it. How much should be added? 2,000 should be added because the customer, the debtor went directly to the bank. He is in the bank, directly deposited there. So passbook shows greater amount. It must be added to the cash book. $2,000 plus. I mean, it should be written under the plus. Positive amount. It should be added to the cash book balance. Now, do the C. Next one. Do it yourself. What to do with it? One of you tell me. rupees 12,980 were issued by the bank and duly recorded in the cash book before March 31, but had not been presented at the bank for payment until after that date. What to do? One of you, explain. Yes, who will explain it? Yes, Pranav. You are confident. Yes. Say.
Passbook balance is decreased.
Mm, mm,
So
Read it. Read it again. Read it again. From where? What is gone? Check. There was a check of amount 12,980 were issued by the company. It was issued. So I told you, please write it on top of that sentence. Check pay issued means business gives the check. We learned about check now in the banking. So who is giving? Who's the drawer? The business is the drawer. Business is giving the check. Okay? The business is issuing the check. Check issued by the bank means what it means that, see, it is from bank, no, the amount is getting reduced. That is why we say that check issued by the bank. Actually, the business is giving the check. Did you understand? No.
so cash book will decrease.
Cash book will decrease. But earlier you said bank, no? Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. Yes. Say once again. Repeat.
So cash book will decrease. So for making it equal, we'll decrease from passbook also.
Is it possible to make changes to the passbook when cash?
We'll add it back. We'll make changes in the cash book.
Okay. Check issued but not presented for payment. We add it back. Okay. This should be thorough. Then only we can move to the next one. That is starting with the balance as per passbook. Okay. So C is over. Completed, everyone? C. Check issued but not presented for payment. 12,980. So first you wrote balance as per cash book 40,960. Bank charges minus 100. Amount directly paid by the debtor, add 2,000. Check issued but not presented for payment 12,980. C. So 3 over. C. Think, understand and do. Don't rush. Make the idea clear. Okay? Why is it added? Why did we reduce? Why do we reduce? Get the clear idea. Okay. Shall I move to the D transaction? Anybody needs clarification up to C? Is there anyone? A bill for rupees 6,900 discounted with the bank is entered in the cash book with recording the discount charge of rupees 800. This is a different one. We haven't dealt with this before. But the thing here is you only have to look at this discount charge of 800. That is actually a kind of bank charge. What is this discounting? You remember discounting? Related to bill of exchange?
Ma'am,
Yes.
it says without recording 800 rupees in the textbook.
Where? Without recording, okay. Without recording the discount charge of, does that way given in the textbook? So make it like this. A bill for rupees 6,900 discounted with the bank is entered in the cash book without, it is without in your textbook. Huh? Just a second, once again, let me read it and understand again. It is without in your textbook. Am I right? A bill of rupees 6,900 discounted with the bank is entered in the cash book. Okay, we enter it in the cash book. Enter it in the cash book. And in my textbook, it is with recording the discount charge. So discount charge is also recorded in the cash book. That is the meaning, no? When it is with. If it is recorded, okay. I think without. Without is right. So if it is without, then what we have to do? Reduce it. Correct? Without. Okay. Without. Make it without. I'm sorry. Make it without. Your text is right. Without. That is a D. Without. Without. Okay. It is without. So that means a bill, there was a bill. That is a bill of exchange. It is discounted with the bank. That means in the bill of exchange, a date will be mentioned. Only on that day, we are going to get the payment. But suppose we need money before that, what we do? We will take this bill of exchange to the bank and discount it there. Do you understand? We will discount it with the bank. Discounting means we will ask the bank, keep this bill of exchange, give us the money. And the person who have to make the payment will make the payment directly to the bank. That is discounting of bill. We'll be learning soon. Anyway, here we have to see only about the discount charge of rupees 800. That is the main point to be highlighted. It is actually, there is a charge for doing this activity. The bank will charge a particular amount from us. Okay, a fee is charged. Something is collected from the customer. So here, without recording the discount charge of 800, this charge of 800, it is not recorded in the cash book. That is what, as per your textbook says. Yes, without recording. So this charge is not recorded in the cash book. That is the meaning. So it is not there in the cash book. Already it is a bank chart, so it get reduced from the bank account and it is already shown in the passbook as a reduction. So passbook is less. So it is not recorded in the cash book. We have to record it. So what to do? Reduce the cash book. Minus 800. Minus 800. Discount charges of bill was omitted to be recorded in the cash book. So minus 800. Over. Now, the last one. No entry has been made in the cash book to record the dishonor on March 15, 2017 of a check for rupees 650 received from Bhanu. Actually, the business had to receive 650 rupees. The business expected that this amount will be received, but it got dishonored. And that case that it got dishonored, the business is unaware about it. So business haven't recorded it in the cash book. See, 650 rupees. This 650 rupees, sorry. 650 rupees. This was expected to be received by the business. Business thought that business will receive this 650 rupees. But the check for this was dishonored. Dishonored means that check got bounced. The business did not receive the 650 rupees. Business did not know this. Because of that, the business did not mention it in the cash book. Did not mention that in the cash book. Already in the passbook, it is mentioned that 650 is not received. I mean, there is no deposit, such kind of deposit in the passbook. So, passbook shows a lower balance. So, what to do? From the cash book also, this has to be reduced because the business did not receive it. That got dishonored. Okay. Now, balance it.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Same as the account balancing.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Could you explain E?
E. E. What is that E? What was it? Oh, E. I missed out E. Rupees 3,520 is entered in the cash book as paid into bank, but not credited by the bank until the following day. That means business wanted to deposit 3,520 in its bank account. Okay. Business wanted to deposit 3,520 in the bank account. But it was not credited. It was not credited by the bank. So, when the business wanted to deposit it in the bank, it showed that that much amount is gone from the business, but it will be received in the bank account. So cash book, wait. No. Okay. So this 3,520, it was recorded in the cash book as deposited. Business thought that it is deposited in the bank account. Did you understand? Business thought that business wanted to deposit 3,520 into the bank account. So business thought that that amount already got deposited. Already got deposited. So cash book shows a greater amount. Cash book, double column cash book, the bank balance, the bank column. Bank column shows a greater amount. But it is not there in the passbook. It is not credited. It is not credited. Might be that day was a bank holiday, or it was a hartal day. Due to some reason, bank did not credit the money in the account. So passbook shows a lower balance, and in the cash book, the bank column shows that it is there, deposited in the bank account. So what to do? Passbook is low. So bring the cash book down. So for that, reduce 3,520 from the cash book. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. How about others? Nobody's video is on except Rahul, Anish and Pranav. Akshay also. I can see 4 of them only. Same as the account, you will balance this. Find the total of both. Now, those who have completed, I want all of you to go through all these 5 questions again. Because the next question we are going to start with balance as per passbook. So the completely ulta we are going to do there. Whatever we did here, the entirely opposite of this we are going to do there. So that's why I want all of you to be thorough with this up to 5. Question number 5. Read the transaction, understand what you were doing all this time. We started with balance as per cash book. We started with balance as per cash book. Cash book balance is given to you. What cash book balance? It is a double column cash book. So here cash book means we are talking about the bank column. Bank amount column of the cash book. Even though the name is cash book, here regarding the BRS, bank reconciliation statement, we are talking about the bank amount column of the cash book. So the cash book balance means the bank account, the bank amount column balance. So here we were making changes to the cash book. Either additions were made to the cash book or reductions were made to the cash book balance. Next, we are going to start with balance as per passbook. Passbook balance will be given to you. Then what are we going to do? The alterations. So everybody go through all the items, all the 5 questions, read again.